Also, on the possibly important spectrum, we finally have a black PlayStation controller official from Sony for the PlayStation 5. Not just a black one, but also like a reddish pink one as well. And I mean, they call it red. I don't know why. I just feel like it has a little pinkish hue to it. But
yeah, maybe it's the galaxy lighting.
That could have something to do with it. They're calling it Midnight Black and Cosmic Red.
Oh, there you go.
Which is like way more complex than just regular red. I don't know if you knew that. Today, we're thrilled to introduce 2 new colors that will be joining the DualSense controller lineup starting next month, Midnight Black and Cosmic Red. Midnight Black features 2 subtly different shades of black with light gray detailing to reflect how we view space through the night sky. And Cosmic Red offers a striking black and red design inspired by the unique vivid shades of red found throughout the cosmos.
They really can paint a picture.
Are you buying things yet? That's all I want to know. Did any of those of those words convince you that you need to buy these? Look, obviously there needs to be a black controller. People are going to want that.
Absolutely.
So that exists now. Red's a little bit extra, but on top of that, eventually, there's going to be 1,000 of these colors if the last consoles are any indication. And which one would you go for out of these 2? Be honest. Tough. Don't lie to us.
You know what? I think I might go with the red. It seems like it has like a metallic sheen to it.
Would that be the cosmic red that you're speaking of?
For sure, yeah. Whatever they like to call it.
You're a cosmic red guy. All right.